everyone, how are you? How are your lives? I hope you're all fine. So at this time, I want us to clean this. I'm going to take you through the cleaning of this house for our two beds. Inside here, we're having our two small beds, as you can see them. One is here, and the other one is here. There are two. So right now, the bird house is really dirty. So it's a simple process that I'm going to do to see that we get the house cleaned. So let me first introduce you to all of this. This one is the storage for the bird, for the feeds. For the feed for the birds. There are 3 storage boxes. One is this and this and this. So usually whenever they are empty, I just fill them. This is the bird's feed. This is the feed. So whenever these things are done, I refill from here. Then we have this one here. This one is the water bottle for the birds. So also whenever the water is done, what I do, I clean the water bottle for the birds also, and to make sure that our birds have clean water. This is your girl Jennifer, who is taking you through at this moment. So what I'm first going to do is to untie this plastic peel. You can see it. This is a plastic peel. So I'm going to first untie it. Why I put this? To protect the birds. Sometimes it can be so cold. Then sometimes also the feathers, they overblow. All over, you can find the whole area is having too much feathers. So what I do is I put this to protect the feathers from overflowing everywhere. And then also from getting too cold. This is winter. In winter season, so that our birds don't really overfreeze from every corner of the house. So let's get ourselves started. Let's untie from here. Then we see what next. So this is it. It's a simple process. Just a simple way. If it's hard to untie, I just tear it off. It wants to fit me, but it won't. I always have a shortcut for it. So that's it. That's how the whole house is looking like. A really open one. This is the back. You can see. So I'm turning the fronts where the feed bottles are. So first of all, I'm not going to first remove this. I have to take it slow to see that I don't overpour the trash that is inside, because there is already trash inside. And even the what? Should I say the feces for the birds? I don't know, but it's also too much inside. So we're gonna take it slowly to see that. Then this box here, I can't promise you that I know its purpose, but it's having this ones here for the what? For timber, like after doing carpentry, the husks for timber. I don't know if they're called husks or whatever, but it's bear with me. That's what's inside here, of which I've never used them for the birds. So what next? Let's first start by emptying this. We're first going to empty this one on one. Let's do one-on-one emptying. So I'm going to empty it from here, because I'm not going to reuse this plastic again. The plastic peel, I'm not using it again. So this one is already emptied. Our first one. This is how it has to be. And then this is the first one. You can see. Then this is the second feed bottle. Yeah, this is how also it has to be. Like this. This one helps to after pouring it here, it helps support it. Then like this one here holds it to get stuck so that when after placing it on the house, it doesn't fall off. Yeah. So this is our second one. Then we're having our third one here. Yeah, this is our third one. I'm also emptying all of them. Yeah, I'm emptying them like that. And then after emptying, I have to also remove the water bottle, which is this. This is our water bottle. Yeah, I have to remove it and wash it and pour in clean water. Yeah, like that. Oh my god, it's a little hard. Like that. This is our water. You can see the amount of water that had remained inside, some little still there. Yeah. And then after that, place it here, the water bottle. I don't want to block that camera. So then after that is to remove the major, the core factor that brought us here, which is to do the cleaning. Yes, this one is still cleaning, but this is where the major trash is. As you can see, it's too much. And this is just for 1 week, meaning they've already fed on their feed. Yeah, they've already eaten a lot of their food. So this is the major stuff that has brought us here. Like that. So I'm trying to remove it. I don't want to be rough on it. Yeah. It's having a lot of dust, a lot of trash in it. Yeah, like that. Slowly but slowly to come out. So the pieces are too much. So these are our the chicken trash, the chicken rubbish, the chicken feces, and the feed particles. You can see. So this is what I have to pour out, and also clean this. So I'm still pouring it here because I'm not going to use this trash, the plastic peel again. Yeah, we're going to change the peel like that. You can see. This is it. I have to wash it. All this I have to wash them. Yeah. I have to wash all this. All of them. I have to clean them to see that our bags are living in a conducive environment. Yeah. Because there is no living thing in this world that wants to live in an conducive environment. So they also desire to live in a conducive environment. Then there's there's still some trash in here, some rubbish, some feed particles, and some pieces. Then for this, I just have to do like this, because if I say I'm to open up like here, the birds can fly. If I'm to remove this, then the birds can escape this box here. There is a hole here inside. A hole from here. So if I say I'm to remove this, because it can be removed, yeah, it can be removed. But if I'm to remove it, these birds can escape. So though I didn't know the purpose, but I finally found the purpose. It's protecting some hole here, so that the birds don't escape and run away from me. Yeah, so that is it. Then I'm just going to empty the remaining particles from here directly, so that our birds are safe, they don't escape. You can see. That's it. Yeah, although there's still some remaining, I'll have nothing to do but just to leave them in. Yeah, that's it. Let's see. on the other side to get some space so that we can still capture the washing of that. I'm trying to gather this and I brush it away, because it has no need anymore. This rubbish, it has no more use. So I'm going to put it in trash and then garbage. This is of no use anymore. And then let's get ourselves washing. The legs are here. We just put them on the right side so that we can get some good view to the sink. Hope it's fine. Yeah, like that. So let's get washing. So let's start washing. Our things are already placed here. The dishes for the birds, they're here. Yeah, all of them. The 3 for the feet and 1 for the bottom, then this one. We're using a new sponge, not this one. We're using this one. I don't want to mix them. Yeah, so I'm going to use the same water. I'll just pour the water because it's having some soap already, some fairy. So let's start. This one is a little part. I want the stuff. I don't know. How do I call it? That's. So I'm pouring this water here directly. This is it. I'm adding more fairy. This. For them to be clean. Yeah. This is why I put my fairy. So I start washing one on one to see that the birds can feed from their good plates or good dishes. Yeah. Then also drink water from a good tin. Yeah. Like that. Hope my birds today are going to sleep well, feed well, because everything is going to be super clean for them. Yeah, that's it. I was playing and it was scaring me. It was something not fun. That's when the birds making some noise in the background. Yeah, so like that. Yeah, literally getting done. By the grace of God. Yeah. So like that. That's it. The chicken rice is too much. The poultry, this is natural poultry. Yeah. Those small birds, but form of poultry already. Meaning they have to learn some of the names concerning poultry things. Because I don't know if they're poultry pieces or for the birds. So like that. All that's clean. Cleaning more and more. Doing thorough cleaning. Has to be thoroughly cleaned up. Very well cleaned up. Thoroughly clean. You can see those are just stains. They're already stained up. You can't get off. So also this one is a transfer that doesn't get why not remove this off? Because usually when I have gloves, I don't perform well my duties. I don't work. I don't feel like I'm doing the best. Yeah. So that's it. Let's get back to pouring back our bags containers, bags feed bottles. Yeah. So our things are here. But we're going to wipe them off. Yeah, so I've not used a kitchen wipe to wipe off the water, but I've just gotten any other cloth to wipe off the water, because this is not kitchen stuff, no. So, but I can't put back the feeds and the bottles when they have water. That's why I have to wipe the bottles off, the feeds bottles off, like that. So it still has water. Let me pour out the water from here. Yeah. Then still have to wipe it off like that. Like that. Have to wipe it off. So this is it. This one. So this one we're done. What next? What next is we have a pill here, similar to this. This is our sufra. That's what you can say in Arabic. This is sufra. Plastic pill for like that acts like a dining table. If you were to sit and eat down on the floor or down on the ground, not really floor, but like down just flat, not on a dining table. So we're putting it back here. We're using this one. Placing it here again, like that. And after that, we have to tie our. Before we can tie, there's something I'm about to forget. So, it's this, like this. First, I have to put this, the one that has to go down. Take it back. Oh my god, I can be disorganized. Those are set, and put them all here. Like that. That. I think you can see. There's another outlet for the buds. Oh my god, I hope the link is good from me. So, we're putting it down like this. Down. Have to take it. Oh my god, it's a little hot. I go me myself up like that. You can see it has entered. Yeah, so that's when the buds have already eaten, the dropouts will fall onto this. Yeah. So it has literally gone back to its position. And then we're doing going to filling up this. The ones for the fins. We're filling them up. I'm not quite seeing all that well. But let me stand here. I think this is what I should have done at first. Yeah. So we are doing this. Yeah. You first put this. You first have to put this like this. Buds like this. So that, yeah, you can see it can't fall off. Then after that, I hold here and I put in my feed. This here. This is the feed. You can see it. Maybe someone is interested in seeing the face for the birds. I don't know the name, but that's it. So I have to pour it. I have to fill it in like that. Just like that. I to pour. So what I have to do, I have to just maximum of it, but not to the brim of exceedingly, no. Then I put it back here. This is the first space for putting this. You see? Oh my god, it's too much. Yeah, this is the first feed. We get back to another one like this. You can see the second one. We still refill it like that. I don't want it to pour. That's our feed. Yeah. It has some colors. There is orange, green. It's a mixed up color of the feeds. So still I put it back here as the second one. Then the very last one, which is this. Which is this. I'm filling up the last one. Yeah. Like that. This one. Still fill it up. Yeah. Now it's still a little. This is it. The very last one. For those who are interested in seeing the color. It's a mixture of colors. That's what it looks like if it is to stand like that. Yeah, the bottle feeds, they look like that. So we're putting it here. We are placing it here like this. For the, you can see, wow, it's interesting. The birds are already feeding. Meaning they've been longing to feed on new food. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. So we're going to fill the bottle. Then after filling the water bottle, our water bottles, yeah. This is our water bottle. I'm filling it from the top. Yeah. Cool. So after filling out a bottle, which is this, you don't just leave it like this. You turn it over. You do like this, so that the birds can feed from here. Yeah, there is a hole here, so that the birds can feed, can drink from the hole. That's what I can say. Now let me come this side. I want to turn that side, but I'll just do it right out from this side. So our rope is here. You do like this. You bring the rope up, then take in your water like that. Simple. It's already entered. It has supported it. Can't fall. Nor can it pour like that. So the last bit of what we're doing is going to be, we're going to now type our sufra in Arabic. That's what I can say. We can type our sufra like that. Like that. So I'm going to tie this one here. I'm tying it up here. All this process has been for just cleaning a mere bird's house. 2 birds, nothing else, just 2 mere small birds. But the process has been so long, but which is okay, that's life. Then this one, I have to bring it from down, like this. The water, I have to bring it from down. So that I can be able to see if the food is still there. This. Yeah, it has to be open. They have to be I can see anytime when the feeds are done or the water is done, I can refill. Yeah, so I'm tying this one here up here. Tying this one up here. Remember, this is Eucadama Jennifer, right away from Saudi Arabia. I'm proud of Kadama. Yeah, I'm so proud of herself and the kind of work she does, you know. Yeah, I love her, I do. Because it's helped me a lot in various ways. So then this one also, I'm going to tie it. Since I want the base bottles to be seen, I'm also going to tie this one somewhere here so that our water can be seen, the water bottle, and the face bottles can be seen. Yeah, there is it. I'm tying it here like this. Isn't that good? Isn't it pretty? Thank you so much, but then this remaining balance of the bit, I pour it on top. You can see. That's how my bats look like. It's so pretty good, and the house is really clean. Yeah, that's it. There is it. Try to turn it around so it's all the sides. Like that. Yeah, and we're gonna call it a day. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. May the Almighty God bless all of you according to the desires of your hearts, because each one of us have different desires. Yeah, this is me. Finally done. Catch you next on the next video. Bye bye.